In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. It's going to be a full guide video. And if I want to do this and show you what I'm going to show you right now, click on your WhatsApp, right? This is our WhatsApp currently. This is our WhatsApp status. So you're going to see a song icon, right? Click on it. You're going to see different musics here, right? So if you want to select any music particularly, click on this search songs or artists, right? So you're going to search for any song you want to search for, right? So I can search for Grace, right? You're going to see a whole lot of music is going to come out here. So select the music you want. Once you're done, click on this, right? It's going to go through. Now the music will be playing in this video background, right? It's going to be playing. So once you're done, and come on here, enter a caption of your choice, right? You can choose to mention a caption. You can also choose to mention someone if you want, right? Or you can enter a caption if you want, right? Then you're going to click on this. It's going to send. It's going to go through. This is basically how you can add music to WhatsApp status. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video. I'll see you on the very next one.